Hello, good day, sir and madam. I am Angelica Nana, 37 years of age. I am married and I have only one child, 15 years now. I am currently working here in Hong Kong as a domestic helper since November 25, 2022 up to now. My main duties is just taking care of child and then I help her every day do the homework and then I do cooking, cleaning, washing. My employer decided to release me because due to financial problem. I hope we can work together soon as possible. I hope I can be a member of your family and one thing I can treat your child like my own child. Thank you. Good day.